And Jamaica's rugby team to the Under-18 Youth Commonwealth Games recently returned home after finishing 5th in their first ever participation at the tournament.
Jamaica defeated Trinidad and Tobago 12-5 in one of the minor placing games to finish 5th, and the players say they gave off their best.
It was a very great experience for me as a player to help me develop more and understand the game, to better myself, to push for higher heights.
Competition-wise, as in most forward, our teams tried. They pushed forward to being advanced to the game, even though it was a tough match, but we did try our best.
It was my first time and I really enjoyed it with the team. It was tough, but we put on a great fight and a strong fight at the end.
Captain Rashid Pensley is proud of the team despite not making the podium, and he's looking forward to the team's future growth.
Coming together as a team, the boys are very young. They go out there and fight. We go up against some top teams like Scotland, Fiji, South Africa, but we're coming better in the next 4 years. It was very good, although we didn't get the medal, but I'm very proud of my boys. We go out there and we fight.
Despite the funding the team received from the JOA for the trip, a grateful coach, Tajay Lynch, says more help is needed across the board, as there should be a focus placed on development to close the gap between those top-tier nations and Jamaica.
It does take funding from the grassroots coming up. We understand that most of these teams are academy teams. They have been playing from children coming straight up. So this is just demonstration of the game to them. It's just an exposition of the game to them, and they do this every day. For us now, it's a little bit more different. It's a little bit more tedious for us to facilitate those resources in terms of funding, in terms of nutrition, in terms of dieting, in terms of fitness, all of that. So putting forward our best interest in these boys is what was needed for us to get better results.
Jamaica's historic team to the tournament is made up of all local-based players from schools including Ainswood High, Huzamarty Technical, BB Coke, Abutnut Gallimore, Campion College, Jonathan Grant and Norman Manley High. The team will next be in action early next year at the Tropical Sevens tournament in Tampa, Florida. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.